Ako po si Felix Marauda, detail operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 48 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank malinis every Friday. Round wire. ABR. Ito naman po yung use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung sa workload. Inventory. Weekly consumables. Nakagamit ako this week ng yellow at white ink. Ito po yung nagamit sa yellow, sa white. Ito naman po yung weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.